I had a spinal fusion from layers L1 through L5, so it's a 4-level. I have been in pain since probably 2004, and extreme to the point where I would take steps of maybe 100 yards and have to sit down and actually rest. Just had a degenerative spinal disease, and it's gotten progressively worse. I was very, very active when I was younger, and that kind of beat it up a little bit. I did an exhaustive internet search, and I found Dr. Lamacchia was very well recommended by people that have had similar surgeries. I actually interviewed 3 other surgeons, and he was the most honest. The other ones kind of told me that, yeah, we can do this, this, and this for you, and he flat out looked at me and he said, I'm not going to be able to fix you, but I'm going to make your life a lot better. Extremely comfortable. When you're dealing with a surgeon, you don't know them from Adam. I had other options, but I've exhausted all of those. I've done physical therapy, I've done pain management, I've done chiropractic. Yeah, I tried everything other than surgery, and I actually had a similar surgery, but less invasive. And the other surgeons offered that back to me again, but they said it was just going to be temporary. He told me he wouldn't do that. He said, it won't help you. I am pain-free right now, yes. I actually enjoy sports very, very much. I coach my son's baseball team from his age of 7 up till 15. After doing that, I stopped. I stopped being active at all. I used to bowl, I used to golf. Up till 2005, I stopped all those activities. Now I'm back at it again, 100%. My recovery was very, very difficult. He was very honest with me again. He said, you're going to hate me after this surgery. And it took me about 6 weeks to actually be able to function again. I'm a pretty big guy, but I was walking with a walker. I had a lift chair. I needed assistance with showering and just getting around. And it got progressively better. He told me it was going to be about a year before I actually felt normal again, and that's about what it was. I'm now 2.5 years post-op, and I feel as great as I ever have. Yeah, I actually had my surgery on October the 19th of 2011. I was off work for exactly 4 weeks. I started to go back to work half-time after physical therapy. I would go to physical therapy 3 times a week. And after that, I was back to work full-time in 2 months. Interaction with the staff was fantastic. Libby, who's his main assistant, she was always there to answer any type of questions that I would have. The actual clinical staff was great too. They're fantastic. Yeah, they were always available to me. I never left a message at his office, which I like. I like talking to people. I don't like talking to answering machines, and they were always available. I never got an answering machine. From the simplest question of just a little tweak, something not feeling right, to prescription refills and basically getting other appointments. I did do physical therapy here as recommended by the doctor, and they were fantastic as well. Physical therapy was kind of rudimentary, really, but it was more core strengthening. I've always done weightlifting in my life, but the core strengthening was what really helped my spine. It was simple stretching, which I've never done before, a lot of using my legs that I've never done before. I've always favored my upper body when I was working out, but they convinced me that it's a full body type of thing. So they did a lot with my legs, a lot with my stomach, a lot with my lower back to strengthen that back up again. I have actually recommended this practice to other people who have had similar type issues that I have. And like I said, the biggest thing when you're choosing a surgeon is just the pure honesty and the comfort level. And I found that with Dr. Lamacchia on both fronts.